Oh, looks like we're going to get a little action early. There we go. Just put her anywhere, buddy. Welcome back, guys. It is your boy Broncos Guru, and it is the Miami Boat Ramps channel, the greatest show on earth down here in Miami, Florida. Today we are down at the 79th Street ramps, and this is a little different than Black Point, that's for sure. Seems to be a lot more action going on. When I say action, I'm not necessarily meaning that there's more vessels coming in and out of here right now, but there's just a lot of commotion and action going on. It's a little bit more exciting scene to me than what I've been seeing over there at Black Point. Now, I guess these guys are just going to chill out and hang out here and try to figure this one out. See what they got. I mean, he's not even got the ski on anymore. Come on, bro. You're going to have to put this over at the dock. Oh, we're going to have a wifey or girlfriend here trying to help out, huh? He's going to have a better plan than this. Oh, here we go. Somebody's going swimming. Oh, man. That's probably something I wouldn't want to do right next to those mangroves, but hey, you know what? Each their own. I guess this was easier than trying to start the ski back up and move it yourself. Now, there's got to be more to this situation. There's got to be a reason our guy here decided to jump in the water and back this up. I mean, maybe the ski doesn't have reverse. Maybe the reverse doesn't work. Maybe he just doesn't know what he's doing. I've got no good answer on this one, but this doesn't seem like this was the easiest way to do it, I guess. Looks like our guy's struggling to get this off the trailer a little bit. I guess we're about to see the old thrust of hope. Or some people will tell you that we're about to see how a baby wave runner is made. Try and keep it family friendly around here, guys. So if you got kids in the room, go ahead and block their eyes, cover their eyes. Oh, our guy's got it off. There you go. I bet next time this dude spends a little extra cake and gets the jet ski with reverse, or the wave runner with reverse. Let's see how he puts this one on the dock. Well, first let's go ahead and hose this guy off. Everybody always forgets about those little pistons on the Yamahas, man. Running a little shallow here. Gotta pin him down. Ah, little bumper boat action to start off with. Ah, it is all explained now. The U-Haul truck explains it all. We know what's going on now. Okay. You know, I often feel like we have quite the production going on with 4 cameramen on staff, hitting all these boat ramps, hitting Haulover Inlet, but the production is not quite the same as what these guys got going on here. I don't know that I've ever been to a boat ramp where I saw 4 or 5 people all assisting trying to get a trailer down the dock. You guys can't even see the other guy who's just outside of the screen here in this shot, but there's literally 2 guys on the dock, a guy that's up here handling the winch. I mean, we're going to have 3 guys up here on the dock, all 3 throwing hand signals at this driver. I can't imagine anything more confusing in my life if I was trying to back a trailer down a ramp than 3 people up here all trying to tell me what to do. And then, of course, the end signal is, hey, you've messed up already, go ahead and pull back out. But let's see how the driver actually handles the pressure of this. I mean, they got to know the cameras on them now, too. We got Wavy Boats here behind the sticks today. But here we go. Yeah, I mean, I can't tell what any of these guys are trying to pull off. I feel like I'm more like you're on a runway at an airport where people are waving the little orange sticks trying to tell the airplane where to go. Let's go over to ramp 5 and see if she can give these guys some lessons on how to do this with one person. Is my man using ratchet straps? Oh, we're going to have to come back to that one. But here, she's just showing you guys you only need one person. Come down there, help your guy out in the tow vehicle, let him know when to slam on the brakes a little bit so that boat will drift right off the trailer. But let's go back to that jet ski real quick. Oh my God, he's using ratchet straps. Man, that's... You guys are going to have to see this one on Instagram later because I'm going to have to post that over there. But we'll come back to the production here, and these guys are getting somewhere. I mean, the trailer's in the water now, and they are trying to load the boat. We've still got a couple people directing traffic and a couple people doing several different things here, though. It's still kind of the overall, making the greatest show on earth, you know? I mean, gosh, it just... So many people do this by themselves, even with no assistance, and then we got these guys putting on this big, huge production to get this done. But, hey, you know what? However you got to get it done to get off the ramp, guys. However you got to get it done. Over at 79th Street, don't forget to give Tabitha a shout-out. She's down there working hard to make sure this ramp keeps going. As you can tell by some of the clips we've already seen that, you know, without her down here, this thing could probably come to a complete halt. Now, she looked a little nervous when she was coming out here, so I figured we'd kind of zoom in over here and see what we got going, if we can catch a little action, but I don't know. Now that I'm watching her, these guys might be pros. Once again, when I saw the husband getting in the Ford Flex to back this boat down, they both kind of had a little bit of a nervous look, but now it looks like they're going to handle this one like pros. I mean, this is still, once again, a great example of, how to launch a boat with just 2 people, man. I mean, wifey's got the skills. She's keeping it off. Good job. I think we're about to see the 79th Street wobble. And that would be exactly how everybody seems to get these vehicles back down this jet ski ramp. Everybody seems to struggle over here, man. They put the jet skis down here at the end, and it's just kind of a little single ramp. I'm assuming they did that for a reason, because the trailer's a little bit shorter. It's a little bit more maneuverable. But everybody seems to just struggle a little bit over on this side. My man's got that 79th Street wobble down. And actually, overall, not a terrible job in the end. I thought it was going to be a little more exciting than that when I first saw the wobble start. I thought we were going to get a full wobble the whole way down. That was kind of a half 79th Street wobble. Let's see what we got going here. Get the lines out, get ready. Oh no. He looks brokenhearted. I don't know what it was, but man, it must have been something important, because he even gave the look down to the water where he almost thought about it for a second, like I'm going in after it. But looks like here in the end, we're going to leave whatever it was. I don't know that I've ever seen somebody so determined in my life to make sure a winch is tight. I mean, my man's about to pull his jet ski right through the bow roller almost. I mean, he's been tugging on this thing for like 3 minutes now. I'm pretty sure it's tight, guys. It's not going anywhere. It probably needs another tug. Go ahead, man. Just, not the jet ski, but go back to the winch. But give it one more pull, man. Get the girl on it too, man. Both of you guys get on there and give it a pull. There we go. Yep, one more pull. This time it's definitely going to be it. Right here, it's done. I mean, it's tight. There we go, guys. We're good. We feel good about that one now, right? Man, that's crazy. So it's getting closer to the end of the day down here at 79th Street, and I'll tell you what, the whole vibe is changing. It's becoming a little bit more of a party scene. Everybody's coming back in off the sandbar. Everybody looks like they had a good day out on the water. Some people look like they had a little better day than others. But it's definitely starting to get a little wild down here, that's for sure. I got a feeling we're probably going to see some pretty interesting docking moves coming up here with the kind of crowd coming in now. Now, remember when I said earlier that some people were out there on the water having a good time? I'm not quite sure that anybody here had as good a day out on the water as this guy did. And heck, he's still having a better day than most people down here at the dock even. I could be wrong. These two right here might give our jet ski guy a little bit of competition for having a good time out there on the water, but they definitely have a better time at the dock than anybody else I'm seeing down here as well. It's getting late. Wavy was about to pack it up when all of a sudden these two showed up here. There's a lot of different things that are about to occur here as these guys try and get this jet ski trailer down to the ramp. One of the first things I'm going to notice right here, though, it appears they've got the receiver on upside down, but maybe that was done intentional. Maybe they got some big curves they go over or something. I'm not 100% sure, but this is one of the weirdest angles I've ever seen a jet ski trailer at, sitting on the back of a receiver on a Jeep, I guess, even. But once again, I'm sure they've got their plan, because these guys definitely, they look like they know what they're doing. I mean, they're here for business. Anytime I see somebody standing behind a trailer, I know that things are, these guys are pros. Almost, I mean, not pros quite, kind of like, the people we've seen with the U-Haul trucks today. We've seen a couple people down here with U-Haul trucks, and those are the real pros down here at the boat ramp. But I do, however, have a strong feeling that these guys are even going to give the U-Haul truck guys a run for their money today, because things aren't going so well right off the bat. That was probably the wrong move. You were already struggling. For you to come all the way back up here, now you've just created a further distance. You're going to have to back this trailer up, and it doesn't look like you were doing so hot just from where you were even. But sometimes just getting that re-approach, that re-angle really helps you out on this. But I don't know, maybe it did. He looks pretty good so far. Get out of the way. See, that's what it is, man. The guy standing behind him has messed his vibe up. Where are the three guys we had earlier that were, giving all the hand signals and directions? Maybe that's what this guy needs. If he had that, he could definitely get this trailer down there a whole lot easier. We need 2 more people giving him hand signals, one on each side of the Jeep and one still standing behind the trailer so that he can just carry the trailer. I'm still waiting for that one. Just pick the trailer up and carry it. Let my man back up straight, man. Be a real friend. Help him out. I guess the really sad part, when you really truly kind of experience and think about what's going on right here, that means that our guy who's picking the trailer up here at the end actually is worse at backing up trailers than the guy who's currently driving the Jeep. Because you would imagine if he was better than the person who's in the Jeep right now, he would be the one backing the trailer up. And it's kind of hard to imagine that it's even possible, but that's one of my favorite things when I see these kind of things happen. And all I can think in my head is, I'm like, this person who's carrying this trailer is actually worse at backing trailers up than the person who's driving the vehicle currently. It's crazy, man. Thanks for watching, guys. We're going to get out of here right after this one. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps, the greatest show on earth. If you guys do, be sure to check our other channels out. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this great footage down at the boat ramps and over at Haulover Inlet, and my channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on that subscribe button. If not, we're coming to steal your drain plug.